wear panty, me no wear brief. All I wear is a banana. So 5, 10.
So, something big too. Hey peeps, good night, good evening, good morning, whichever time you're seeing this video. Bless up. Anyways, me just finished though now. I look few stuff, you know, little thing. I got surprised and I'm not telling you what it is because I'm still await for giving you that little mini haul that you guys been asking for. So you have to stay tuned, subscribe, and definitely when I upload that video, you will be notified. So anyways, when we reach at the next store, I'll link you now. So we're walking towards Bashko. Yes. So anyways, you know, when I get to the store, I'll link up you guys. So yeah.
Wine pon the band, grind pon the man. Can you put them back in line down? Go some mama slide on me hand. She fully gear and clear. She a wine pon the sun, wine pon the down. That way that in the right position. Then I'm busy coming like on your dance.
This way. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to the the sweet tooth section, pastry section. I don't think I'm gonna buy like any pastry, but you don't know, can't come at Bashko and I go at least fatten my eye them, you know. Yeah, I have to sweeten my eye. Even if I don't purchase anything. Like yeah. No, what Brittany like those? Brittany like them on you.
I have to eat one vegan.
Jesus Christ.
I love it. What?
Excuse me, mama.
I don't want to smell it.
Oh. No, but my daughter loves these. She loves these. I mean, I like them too, but I don't fussy sweet things anymore. I'm watching my figure.
Please.
Eh?
You know, this for me.
This nice.
This.
Oliver, I'm not no money. I'm broke. But what will come up here for? Anyways, I'm going upstairs, peeps, so I'll link you when I'm at the cashier. Yes, I promise to link you up when I'm at the cashier, but I have a little scenario, something my officer to know. Like, no, I couldn't even wait till I reach home. So, not much long. You know, my dad had me and walk, I go about my business. See this guy, you know. I say, hi, pretty girl. Hi, shorty, you're nice and neat and cute. And you know, me just did it up and I blush and I say, oh, thank you. You know, yeah. So, then I take all of the compliments and everything. And I say, yeah, man, you look good too, you know. All I blush and everything like that. Just fear the man say. But you look like you don't have no eyebrow. Where your eyebrow there? So I'm confused now. I wonder if I compliment him or compliment me. Or he might criticize me. Like, I don't know what I say, what you mean when my eyebrow there. See that it there. What you mean when my eyebrow there. And that's my fault, I don't get enough. But between me and Uno, like, a little bit, you know, it's not enough. But me I feel say, how am to the ranking frowns the crutches boy, yeah. Like, I don't understand. But anyways, we get back to Uno when time we reach home, yeah. So my big toe. After I came home, I didn't get the chance to video. I reached home maybe like 2 hours ago, but believe me, sun beat my bad out there today. So me I tell you say, and then me have the little girl and stuff like that. when I reach in, it's like I had this slight headache. I never really feel so good. So, you know, I take a little pill and well, a little nap and thing like that. So, anyways, if I see like my bed like this, is because, you know, we're doing laundry. So, yes, we strip the bed and stuff like that. And when I take off sheet off of my bed, I really like just put on back on next one. I like breeze it out, you know, make it breeze out little and thing like that. So, yeah, so anyways, I say no, I'm gonna link up before I get later. Yeah. Yes, as for the guy, what the story that when me I telling you before me end up cut the video. Yes, this guy now, as me say, my compliment me and I say sweet girl and oh you look little and neat and short and all these things. All of a sudden the man just attack my eyebrow for no reason. You understand me? I say, and listen to me, it's not because him talk about my eyebrow I'm upset. Him never say it in a no way nice possible. Believe me. Him depend so my girl, why your eyebrow there? Some of you like, see it there. And some other things him a go on with, you understand? And it's like him a look at me like in a disgust way, like me I don't know human being because me not have enough eyebrow. And them there me like my girl them with enough eyebrow, you know, and thing like that. So me I said then with the backside, then yeah, tap me for a whole conversation with me. And mind you, and I'm not decent looking man, you know. And I'm not tan good man, but you know, him give me my little compliments and thing like that. So I say, alright. I say, okay, you look nice too. To make him feel good, because you know I'm a polite them kind of way there. You understand? But I'm not tan good nobody. You understand? You might make me know say my forehead up here so look like one old man head miggle when him a ball and see. Him never if said and him never mean it in a no way bad. He never come cross as something good. You understand what me I say? So me I say, I want to this ranking green crutches man. Bright and face. Him not even smell good. Him frowsy. So, anyways, yeah, lucky for him. That a for him business. Anyways, me there a little laundry as me said before. Don't know if me I keep repeat myself, but yeah, you don't know. Can't make the thing smell frozy. Better for smell fresh, sheet fresh, everything fresh. Yeah, anyways peeps, if you enjoyed this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, please subscribe. Comment, let me know what you want to see. Let me know, you know, and things like that. Oh, and peeps, let me make sure I tell you now. If I don't have to, I won't edit these videos. You understand? I want to come at you just run natural. So if me slip up, make mistake or whatnot, just understand. We're not perfect, we all make mistakes. You know, even talking and stuff like that. And I could have edited it and take it out, but I'd be like, but that's a dash it part, you know, just like that. You understand? So, yeah, man. When I go say I want edit in the future, I will. But for now, no editing, just raw video. You understand? And there's so much I want to do. So let me know. And yes, I did got a few, not much, but a few little stuff. And you know, they'll be here and stuff like that. So let me know, definitely comment and let me know if you want to see a little mini haul. You understand? So the stuff that I bought today and the stuff that I bought the other day, you know, well, I have a video of it, so I could merge the videos and you will see what I bought the other day for Teachers Day. Still have that video. So and what I bought today. So yeah, now let me know, comments and let me know. Anyways, you know, but there I go finish my laundry because I don't know what I need. Fresh, clean clothes to wear and stuff like that. And the kids and watch my towel I pull off. I don't know what it is. No, sir. Oh, I wish I said towel drop off. No, towel come off. I want to own you know. I say towel just drop off now. But we see where under that towel there. Watch the towel I pull up. But it not go happen. So all who I wish, take no mind off of it. Anyway, beebs. You hear me say anyway, beebs. Anyway, peeps. You know, stay blessed and, you know, have a productive day. And so, suck my big toe. Bye-bye.